Okay guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you're going to turn your Facebook profile to Facebook professional mode. In case you don't know that Nigeria is now eligible for monetization and you are still posting your video on your normal profile, this is the high time you turn your profile to professional mode so that you will be getting paid for your content. Okay, if you don't know how to go about it, please don't scroll, just watch this video to the very end. I will be showing you step by step on how you can turn your Facebook profile to professional mode. And when you done doing that and you start posting your content, Facebook will start paying you immediately you reach your monetization criteria, your eligibility criteria. Okay guys, if you have not subscribed to this channel or you have not followed this page, please do well by following me. I will be bringing something like this for you guys to also learn and put it into practice. Okay guys, let us dive into what we have for today. This video I'm going to show you how you can change your normal Facebook profile to professional mode. So if you open your Facebook profile, come to these three dots, click on these three dots here. Then after clicking on that three dots, just go ahead and number one here is profile status, meta verified, active, view as, unlock profile, activity log, manage post, review post and tags, privacy center, search. Then this one that is here, it said turn on professional mode. Okay guys, so in all these things, then come to this place that it said turn on professional mode. Just click on it. Okay, see what it said, turn on professional mode, add new tools to your profile so you can grow as a creator on Facebook, get paid for your content if you're eligible, unlock monetization tools to earn money by creating new content, see content insights. So what I'm going to do right now is turn on. Okay, so in this place you say that professional mode setup. So here you're going to set up your account. Okay, finish setting up your profile, tell people about yourself and use your new professional tools to connect with your audience. Okay, this is step one. Review audience settings. Automatically share your Instagram post to Facebook if you want. Then okay, this one is establish your presence, add your bio. Okay, in this place you're going to add maybe add a profile picture list completed, add a cover photo, select your profile category completed. So we are going to just add this one here. Guys, after all the setup, as you can see, you will see this thing that will just write your profile. Your profile now has professional mode turned on. Okay guys, so guys, just look at this thing. This is a dashboard. This is welcome address. It says welcome to professional mode. So this is the follower that this profile has already. All the friends that is, all the people that send me friend requests has automatically turned to my followers. Okay guys, so this is how it's going to look. So as you can see here, it said welcome to professional mode. Then explore all the ways you can use professional mode to make the most of your experience. So as you can see here now, this is the dashboard. So if you click on this dashboard, you're going to welcome to professional dashboard, and this is the name, right? So get started. This is the setup. You're going to still set all this place up. You understand? So because I've not a kind of putting in, I have not uploaded any video, so that's why all this place, I just created it right now. Okay guys, so go to monetization to check one or two things. You can see not yet eligible because this page is just turned to professional mode just right now, so they have not given, there's no eligibility in this professional mode. So these are what it requires for you to be monetized. If okay, number one, we have star, we have ads on wheels, bonuses, in-stream ads, subscription. This one will be another video of its own, so I'm going to break it down with you guys. Maybe you have any problem with eligibility criteria, so I'm going to show you how you're going to solve the problems with my Jira phone. Okay guys, that's it for now. Okay guys, after turning your Facebook profile to professional mode, you will set it up well. Make sure that you set them up very well so that it will start counting immediately. Start posting your video back to back. If you don't know how to dance, continue dancing and be posting consistency on your channel or your profile, you know, or your professional mode rather. Okay, and when you clock to the monetization criteria, your eligibility criteria, Facebook will start paying you. Okay, if you need me to, you know, do a video concerning eligibility criteria, maybe you don't know where it is on your profile, on your professional mode rather, or your profile, where you can find the eligibility for criteria, please do well by asking the question on the comment section for I will be there to answer all of your questions. I love you guys.